competitor, but they are my best friend. Okay? They are my best friend, guys. Can you see, guys, that there's like ladies wearing blue jeans? Me, I'm wearing blue jeans, red jeans, pink jeans. Yeah, because I need to like I don't know, but I am like this. I usually like, you know, make my clothes much always. Give them what? I cannot read because it's far. You know, I'm already Guramis. I'm already Guramis, guys. Tapos ka na? Tapos ka na? I will eat, guys. Hello, Prince. Thank you so much, Akash. Thank you for joining my team. I really appreciate. We will eat, guys. We will eat, guys, because I'm hungry. I need to eat. I need to eat. You know, like recently, after I was really totally sick, I really wanted to eat like buffet, unlimited buffet, unlimited food. I want to eat too much. Yes, please have dinner. Yes, I want to eat too much. Yeah, because come on, I was just like dying. How many days? So that's why I said, when I get fine, I mean, when I get well, I will eat unlimited. I will eat too much. I will not stop of eating. I will eat. Yeah, all my favorite food I'm eating. I'm eating all my favorite food. Hello, Just. I know. Wow. Wait, guys. I'll just gonna check it. Check for that. Wow. Shall we go for dinner? Mr. Virgo? No, I want to eat my own. I want to eat my own. I usually like eat with uncle, my mommy, my cousin, like that because I don't want to eat that. You know, when you are just having dinner, eating like with a dinner date, how you can be able to eat? You cannot eat. But me, I don't care. Even if I have like date, and then once that, uh, why should I even hide? You need to be, I mean, you need to be who you are, guys. Hello, Bella. How are you, Bella? Welcome back. Pandesal? Pandesal para sa almusal. Para sa almusal yun, ano ka ba? Ayoko ng pandesal. Gusto ko ng lafang. Gusto ko marami akong kainin. Gusto kong kumain ng marami. Yung tipong mabundat na bundat ka sa kabusugan. Kain tayo, dinner ko. Kala mo naman lapit-lapit mo lang dito. Kung malapit ka lang dito, yayayain kitang kumain kasi merong unlimited dito buffet, like buffet 29 dirham lang. Tapos lahat lalafangin mo, lahat kakainin mo. Nandun yung halo-halo, kasi nandun yung tambakol. Ang laki ng isda, ganun siya kalaki. Ganun kalaking isda, as in lalamunin mo talaga siya. Oo. As pag ako kumain, hindi yung maarte. Kailangan lafang. Daming nga dyan. Marami dito, unlimited buffet dito. Kasi meron dito akong na parang unlimited rice. Oo, tapos ang babayaran mo lang 30, ganun. Should I block the word big? No, don't block. Don't block. Don't block. Don't block big. Big heart. Don't block that. It's fine. If people is saying anything like big heart whatsoever, I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. No need to block. Because like even like balloons, whatever, no need to block. I don't like to block like that. Melons, let it be. Melons, watermelon,